Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the laptop is plugged in and any external monitor is disconnected so settings apply to the built-in screen. Open Display Settings now by right-clicking the desktop or going to Settings System Display. Once there, look at Scale, Resolution, and Orientation. These determine how big UI elements appear. Make sure you note the current values before changing anything so you can revert. Now you're ready to change the scale or resolution to correct the size problem. Start by adjusting scale to change text and icon sizes. Pick 100%, 125%, or 150% depending on how small or large things look. If clarity is the issue, set the resolution to the laptop's native value. Lowering resolution makes everything larger but can blur details. If presets don't match your needs, open Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a custom percentage. This forces a specific DPI. Make changes one at a time, apply them, and confirm the display looks. Once the size looks right, fine-tune by calibrating ClearType for text and checking app-specific zoom settings. These help if some apps still look off. Make sure graphics drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager and update or roll back the driver if things became blurry. If a change locks the UI or prevents login, boot to safe mode, or connect an external monitor to restore settings. If you still have problems, note the exact behavior and driver version before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.